Aloha there, this is Darcy Frankel, and I'm coming to you from my home office at Hanalei Day Spa here on Kauai. For those of you who do not know me, I am an experienced cleansing and rejuvenation specialist. I help people to feel better, in other words, and I do that through my cleansing retreats, different programs, and my day spa here on Kauai, Hanalei Day Spa. How do you talk to yourself? Now, if I were constantly affirming, oh, I'm getting old, I'm stupid, or I'm too tired to do that, or I can't do it, or if I make a mistake, I berate myself. If I constantly do this, do you think that's an example of healthy self-talk? Does how you think about yourself make a difference? I believe so. Recently, IKEA conducted an experiment at schools. It was part of a larger anti-bullying campaign. And so what they did was they brought two healthy plants into this school, and they played a constant loop of phrases to each of these plants. Now, to this group on the right, they played beautiful words of praise and appreciation. I love you, and you look great today, and you did great at that, and you're such a good plant. You're really awesome. I love your leaves. They're so shiny and green. So there was this constant loop of words of praise and appreciation for this one group. And then the second group, they had toxic words. They had mean, bullying statements like, oh, you're just a plant, and are you really even alive, and look at how small you are, and they would just say mean things on this loop. The children could hear all of this. They could hear, they could see the plants, they could tell what was happening with them. Interestingly enough, the plants that received the positive words, they were thriving. They were full and fluffy and plump and juicy and green. And the plant that received the negative and toxic words, it was shriveling. It looked sick. There was a marked difference between these two plants, and the children could see it. The experiment was a success because they really learned the effect of positive and negative speaking. So I'll ask you, how are you with your own self-talk? Are you kind to yourself without exception? Are you kind even when you make a mistake or when someone else might be angry with you? Are you accidentally creating inner toxicity because you don't regulate your own self-talk? Please rate yourself honestly on a scale from 0 to 10. How is your own self-talk? And because our cells are constantly eavesdropping on everything we say and think and do, I love myself without exception, especially if I happen to make a mistake. My cells are listening, so are yours. If you found this interesting, please like, share, and comment. That helps me. Thank you. Oh, remember, keep a lookout for my summer sunscreen report, how sunscreen makes you sick, tired, and fat. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much for your time. Aloha.